Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is MK. Today I'm going to show you how to breed Apple snail. I have plenty of Apple snail. I had, because I already sold 8,000 pieces of Apple snail last month, and the process is ongoing. Every day I have ordered to have many buyers that they want to buy some Apple snail. So today I am going to show you my process, how I breed them. Normally they are breed in fish tank naturally, but now I need some fast delivery, so I just want to breed them. In this process, if this process is going right, the Apple snail will breed 10 to 15 days. However their size or age, no problem, they will breed. So in this process I need some Apple snail. You can see I have a lot of Apple snail here. They are size, some little, some big. This one is very little, but if you see this one size, this one is very big. You can see in my hand. So I need some Apple snail. They do bisex, so they don't need. So you don't need any male or female because they aren't. Sorry. Apple snail have both sex or sexual gender. They are male and also female. So you need some of this Apple snail. Then you need some kind of pana, or you can call it any aqua plant or any kind of plant, no problem. But you need some aqua plant. They eat these ones. You need not to feed them in 4 or 5 days. Do not feed them any kind of food. Just leave them, and you need 3 or 4 inch water level, not too high, 3 or 4 inch, and you need some space, some lot of space, and don't disturb in this time, because they are if you disturb them, they will not give egg or lay eggs. So you need a bucket, this kind of bucket if you have. Then give some aqua plant, and last one is give some any kind of soil, no problem. No need any specific kind of, just any kind of soil. Okay, just throw them into the bucket. It will give them a natural place. And last one, cover them. If the process is going right, after some days they will hatch egg here. The bucket will be full of apple snail if the process is going right. Just cover them like these ones and put some weight on it. So this is my setup. No air pump, no filter, nothing else, no food or anything, any kind of medicine or any kind of treatment. Just this is the setup. Apple snail, little level of water, some aqua plant, some soil, and then cover it. Leave no don't leave any kind of escape zone, otherwise they will escape from here. So take a look around the bucket. This is the process. See you after some days. So friends, after 5 to 10 days, if all process are going right, then you will see this kind of eggs in the bottom, because the apple snail don't lay their eggs in the water. They lay their eggs in the top up to the house, in the topper side. So you can see these eggs. It's now look like it's white, some eggs. After 2 or 3 days it will begin pink or dark color. It will gain dark color, and after 10 to 15 days, not much. After 10 to 15 days, the egg will turn into a little. Now after you got the eggs, don't touch it or do it anything. Just add 1 to 2 inch of water level and store it in a dark room. Make sure that any kind of ant or insect are being closed, they will destroy it. So just keep it in a dark room and wait for up 10 to 15 days, and after 10 to 15 days you will see this kind of babies. So friend, after 12 days you can see the apple snails babies. These apple snails, now we can add them to the main aquarium or a fish tank. The fish can't eat them, they are bigger from fish mouth. Now, or you can also keep them here, or other other kind of pot. You can add some fish food to feed them. So friends, this is the end of this video. You can comment here and tell me how about your experience of apple snail, and if any kind of suggestion or question you can ask me in the comment box. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe now, and also click the like and notification icon. So friends, this is it. Thanks for today.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?